Dear best friend, I am so lucky to have you in my life. Pidei jing ai pa phalatam jong blai. Habangayam pipen rke pipen keman yanga. You always dare to pick me back up. I am a better person when I am with you. How smart we are. We are stupid together. You always stick up for me even when I am wrong. I want to say thank you for your inspiring me. You make me want to be a better person. You make me want to work on myself. Bat ngatrang ba pendon ringkat bat ngi menta. Henry pimla bantanang bat ngi nadu ba pila chengai no nangi. Kamton shu ka ching suk hangi. I miss you every day. I'm just like the sun without the little rain. I was this strong because I know that you don't want me to see when I fall.